So I am here today to share with you all some fabulous goodies I scored from my local rainbow shops, aka Rainbow Apparel. This video is going to be all about smell goods, shoes, and an accessory. But I'm going to start by digging in these bags. That's what's going to make this as much fun for me as it should be for you, waiting to see what did MGA find at Rainbow this time. Yes, and this time I'm going to start out with the smell goods, because if you are an official glam doll to this channel, and when I say official, that means a subscribed glam doll, you know my obsession with smell goods. I know you know, right? I know you know. So let's start with that. So let me get comfortable. I went up in Rainbow, right? So, you know, I went up in there checking out what outfits they may have had, because I was looking for something for just something, a sweater or something. The fact is, I went by the smell goods section. Why did I do that? All their perfumes were 50% off. You know, I went crazy in there. So the first one up I want to share with you is, let me see, this one is called Bright Gold. However, this is, if you like Michael Kors gold, then you're gonna like Bright Gold. So this is the packaging, and I'm loving that it's a metallic, you know, gold finish in the packaging. And when you get it out of the packaging, this is what it's going to look like outside of its packaging. And this bottle is insane. It is very, very durable. It's not lightweight. It's very heavy. I'm loving the crystal looking gold top that comes with it. The bottle itself looks very elegant. Okay, to say that it was 50% off. Now mind you, this perfume was $4.99, but Rainbow normally have perfumes 3 for $10. So when I saw everything was 50% off, I hopped on it. So to say this was $2.50, I am very impressed by its look and by its smell. You know me. You know, especially if you are an official doll. Y'all know me. Come on now. You know my smell goods. This is Bright Gold, and this is, if you like Michael Kors gold, you're gonna like Bright Gold. So that was that first one right there. So the next one I picked up is Ferrero Vip Rose Ready to Party NYC. Now this is, if you like Carolina Herrera for woman, then you're gonna like VIP Rose. So this right here, that's what it's looking like. And actually, let me correct myself. This is, if you like 212 VIP Rose by Carolina Herrera, then you're gonna like this one, VIP Rose. And that's what it's looking like. This is the bottle when you get it out. Put the packaging out. This is what the bottle is looking like. Super, super, super cute. And this will have you smelling like VIP. Okay, VIP Rose. And this is, if you like 212 VIP Rose, you're gonna like this VIP inspired rose. And smelling this, yeah, I'm gonna smell like I belong in VIP. Yes ma'am, yes I will. Moving right along, I have a lot of them. Let me hurry up and get through this. So this one is Da Amore, and this is inspired by J'adore. Okay, so if you like Christian Dior, J'adore, you're gonna like this one right here. So this is what it's looking like outside of its packaging. A bottle that resembles the J'adore exactly. In fact, I have an authentic, real version of Christian Dior, and you see, I don't know if you can get that, you see it is on its last leg. Lord knows I was holding on to this corner, because I was like, oh Lord, I didn't want to run out of the authentic version, and you know, I wasn't able to afford to get the authentic version again, and I was just hanging on. Look at this little corner. I was hanging on to that corner for dear life. However, when I came across this and I opened it, and I said, you know what? I don't even gotta spray this little corner. I'm gonna leave this for decor. This dupe right here smells like this one. I kid you not. Now I know perfume is all about a matter of preference for some. However, I'm serious right now. If you like this bottle right here, the J'adore, please, if you got a Rainbow Shops near you, just go up in there, find this one, and I kid you not, it's pretty much, it's the same. It's the same, I kid you not, and I'm gonna spray this one to death. Now I'm showing you one of these, but at 50% off, meaning all the perfumes I'm showing you is $2.50. I'm showing you one of these, but I brought 4. I wasn't playing. So I don't want this to be a long video. Let me just go ahead. So this is vintage. This is called Vintage, and this is inspired by Versace Yellow Diamond. So if you happen to like the Versace Yellow Diamond, then you're going to love this one called Vintage. And let me get this one out of its packaging. Let me get this out of its packaging. Again, the bottle is very, very durable. It looks like this right here. It's a durable bottle. Very, very sturdy. I'm loving the detail that's on the bottle. And this is Vintage. If you like Versace Yellow Diamonds, then you're going to like Vintage. And oh, all of these smell incredible. Next one up. Okay. This one is called You Plus Me We, and that's this right here. And this is inspired by Jean Arthez. I believe that's how you say it. The name is coming up right now as you're seeing it. That is what this bottle is inspired by. I haven't smelled the authentic version to this, but if it smells anything like this, oh my gosh, you know, for $2.50, you can't be mad at these. You really can't. You can't be mad at that. Next one is Very Sexy. And this is the impressions of Vera Wang Hippy Princess. So, if you like Hippy Princess, then you're like Very Sexy. Look like this right here. Now, I'm not sure if this one, I don't think this one comes with a top, or if it did, I wasn't able to get it because this box was already open, and this was still $2.50 right here. And this is Vera Wang Hippy Princess. However, as a inspired version, this is called Very Sexy. So that's that right there. And the last perfume I want to share with you is Blush Blossom, and this is inspired by Gucci. So if you like Gucci Flora, then you're going to like this blush one right here. And let me get that out the packaging. And this is what it's looking like. I'm loving the bottle on this one just the same. They all very durable. And oh yeah, I'm gonna spray this one. Oh, this one smells incredible. Yeah, I'm gonna be smelling like Gucci without the Gucci price. So anyhow, now let's move into the shoes and the accessories. The first thing up I want to show you is this little fur bag that I purchased. And I picked up this bag because it's a little faux fur, and it doesn't hurt to have a little faux fur bag. And I thought it was super cute. And you can wear this as a clutch, or you can actually use the chains and you can wear it on your shoulder. I don't suggest that this can be worn as a crossbody because the chain isn't long enough to wear it as a crossbody. But this is super cute, and it'll complement just about any outfit as far as jazzing it up. Now this normally was $14.99, but Rainbow Shops, they were having a clearance sale, so I got it on clearance for only $7, and that's what it's looking like right here. And when you open it, that's the inside of it right there. It has a single pocket over here, and it's just a regular material inside. And like I said, this is a faux fur clutch, or purse for that matter. So that was that right there. Now it's time for the shoes. Oh, dogs, let me tell y'all, I didn't think they were going to fit me right, but I went up in there and I picked up these flats. I have gotten addicted to flats lately, and these are super, super cute. I was immediately attracted to them because they was red, and these were on sale for $10, okay? These was $10. When you buy 2 or more, they $10 each. Normally they $12.99, but these were only $10. They flat, and they less than a half an inch on the heel, and they have light padding on the inside, very, very light padding, and they're kind of on a pointy toe tip, but these are patent leather, and these are the red ones right here. They super cute, so I got the red. And when I like something, so I brought more colors. So I got them in the beige, you know, like the nude color. I got the nude color. Then I went and I got the plain faux suede. These are the faux suede versions right here, faux suede. And lastly, you know me, the black patent leather ones. So then I got the black patent leather ones, and that's right there. And actually this looks like it matches pretty much what I got on. But on that note, dolls, this pretty much just concluded the video. Oh my gosh, I have a lot of fun sitting here sharing these fabulous finds with you all. If you happen to have a Rainbow Shops, you know, aka Rainbow Apparel store near you, please be sure to visit the store. They always having sales, especially on they smell goods. Really, I go to the store for the smell goods, and then if I happen to see something else, you know, okay, I'll probably pick it up. But just for the perfumes by itself, and every bottle that I showed you was actual perfume. They weren't toilet water or eau de toilette as some would call it. But yeah, they definitely worth looking into, especially this Christian Dior inspired version of J'adore. You you must find this one. If you don't find nothing else in the video I showed you, look for this one. Facts. But on that note, dolls, seriously, like I said, it's just conclude the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If any of you was interested in my hair and or my makeup look, you can always check down in the description box below for the links that will take you directly to the video showing you how I achieved this makeup look, as well as more information about this gorgeous Vivica Fox lace front wig that I am wearing. But for real, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget now, we gotta stay socially connected, so please keep in mind I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds. So I'm gonna get out of here and go put my shoes and my smell goods away. But I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.